Here are a couple units here that I have never seen. Here's a Lennox Merit. It has a Copeland scroll. From 2014. This doesn't look that old, actually. Oh no, 2024 actually. That's the model number. I was saying 3.5 ton. Here's a huge Daikan. It's also a street wheel. I love those blades on those other units right here.
Brother.
Has a Copeland scroll.
Okay, let's go, buddy.
This unit is from 2021.
Yep. Come on, brother.
It's a 5 ton.
We're gonna go eat, buddy.
And last but not least, we're gonna see 2 Carriers 38 CKCs.
We gotta eat, buddy.
Has an old Copeland reciprocating compressor. Yeah, it's a straight cool.
All right, Mom.
2000, 2 ton.
Let's go get food, buddy.
And this one could be the same. This one actually is a Millennium Scroll. Yeah, it's the same. Not been running, not been running, not been running, not been running. Yeah, cool, nice units.